Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deal with customer service emails on Shopify. Let's get started. So the first thing I can recommend you to do is to just head over and purchase a domain. So you can head over in here under your settings. And under your settings, you should be able to see in here this option for domains. Click on domains and then just head over and purchase a domain for your store. And then that domain that you have purchased, you can actually just use it as a messaging template. You don't want to use an email that says gmail.com because that is a personal Gmail and it is not work email that you can use. So make sure to buy an email just like that. Second thing that I can recommend you is you can actually just reply to their inquiries promptly because that will actually entice them to converse for you or converse with you more. Now, just reply to them as fast as you can, but make sure that the contents are really good. So as you can see right here in our settings, we actually have in here our notifications. Like for example, under the notifications for customers, we have this templates for order confirmation as well as the invoice that we have right here. So in here, as you can see, they have templates, but this is just automated. So whenever someone actually asks you a question, make sure that you have a template that you can actually use just like this one's right here. And in that way, it will actually makes you look more professional without actually wasting any of your time. Now, for advanced beginner or advanced tip, I can recommend you to hire a team that will answer your emails, but that is only if you have enough profit in order to salary them. So I recommend you to use this Help Scout right here, which is a shared inbox help center and live chat software. This can actually help you if you have a team. As you can see, they have this right here, which is something that you can get from having the same questions. Like for example, you have a specific conversation with someone named Tina, then that means that other people will be able to keep track of that and that will be able to answer it on your step even if you're offline. And that way a team can be more productive when they're doing that. So just head over and then try to do the tips that I have said to you. You can buy this one if you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.